Dear students, hello. I am Sagar Avvale from Department of Mechanical Engineering, CSMSS College of Polytechnic, Aurangabad. Today, we are going to study the topics problems on projection of plane. After watching this video, you will be able to identify the true shape of the plane, draw the initial position of plane, that is front view as well as top view. Draw the projection of plane with respect to reference plane, that is the final position of the plane. Before going to move forward, first I have to ask you one question, and the question is, what is asked in the problem? What will be the given, and in which manner its position with HP and VP will be described. Kindly pause your video, think on it, take your time and write the answer for this question in your notebook. Once you have done it, then you can play the video. To draw the projections means front view and top view is asked in the problem. The description of plane and its position with HP and VP is also mentioned, and the inclination of its surface with one of the reference plane will be given. Now we are going to solve the problem. The problem is a pentagonal lamina of side 30 mm is placed with one side on the HP and the lamina is inclined at 50 degree to HP and perpendicular to VP. Draw the projection of plane. Now, what is given in the problem? Pentagonal lamina of side 30 mm is given. Then, for initial position, the lamina is inclined at 50 degree to HP. Therefore, we assume the surface is parallel to the HP and the true shape is drawn in the top view. To final position, the angle is inclined at 50 degree to HP is given. Now draw the XY line. On that line, above XY line, the vertical plane is mentioned, and below XY line, the horizontal plane is mentioned. Then, draw a pentagonal plane having side of 30 mm and name it A, B, C, D and E. It is the top view of initial stage, that is stage 1. Then draw the projections on the HP as one of its side is in HP, and name it A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash and E dash. It is the front view of initial stage, and that is the second step of the problem. Then draw the line at an angle 50 degree above HP and shift all the distances of previous front view, that is from step 2, and name it A dash, B dash, C dash, E dash. Hence, it is the front view of final stage, that is step number 3. Then taking the distance from front view, that is the step, that is from step number 3, and previous top view, that is from step number 1, and complete the top view of final stage, that is step number 4, and name it A, B, C, D, E. In this way, the projection of pentagonal lamina is complete. The stepwise procedure is given in this slide. Problem number 2. The question is, a circular plate of negligible thickness 50 mm diameter is resting on one of its points of the circumference. The plate is perpendicular to VP and inclined to HP by 45 degree. Draw the projections. So, what is given in the problem? The given is circular plate 50 mm diameter. For initial position, the angle is inclined to HP, so we assume the surface is parallel to HP. Therefore, the true shape is drawn in top view. For final position, the plate is inclined at 45 degree to HP. Now draw the XY line. Above XY line there is vertical plane, and below XY line there is horizontal plane. Draw a circular plate having 50 mm diameter. Now divide this circle into 8 equal parts and name on it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 respectively. Draw its projection on HP and name it 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash. It is the initial stage and front view for step number 2. Then draw a line at an angle 45 degree above HP and shift all the distances of previous front view, that is from step 2, and this is the final stage for step number 3. Now, taking the projection from front view, that is from step number 3, and previous top view, that is from step number 1, and complete the top view of final stage, that is step number 4, and name it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 respectively. In this way, we have drawn the projection of circular plate. In next slide, the stepwise procedure is also given. Thank you.